Network has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Tarrant County in North Central Texas, Dallas County in North Central Texas, until 2:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Grand Prairie, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include Dallas, Arlington, Garland, Irving, Grand Prairie, Mesquite, Richardson, Rowlett, Euless, Duncanville, Bulk Springs, University Park, Sandsea, Seagoville, Highland Park, Hutchins, Cockrell Hill, Sunnyvale, Dallas Luffield, and VFW Intel Airport. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35E between mile markers 419 and 438. Interstate 20 between mile markers 471 and 485. Interstate 30 between mile markers 28 and 64. Interstate 45 between mile markers 274 and 284. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.